Namaste, welcome back. As you all know, Dream Girl is going to launch tomorrow. We are going to see our Dream Girl once again. I'm so excited to see Pooja. And more than that, once I saw the trailer and once I saw the song, I really liked Ananya Panday's look. It was so beautiful, so elegant, so simple and so cute. I thought why not recreate it for you all. And of course, I've used products that are affordable. So without any further delay, let's begin. So I'm gonna start with a little skin prep. I'm using a moisturizer. It is very important to lock in the moisture. Next I'm using a sunscreen. In case you understand this smiley reference, let me know in the comment section below because you are an OG subscriber. Now I'm blending this all in and next we are gonna jump into makeup. I'm first using a concealer. Now I am not using any foundation or tint. I'm directly moving to concealer because I feel Ananya's look is very natural, no makeup sort of look, so you don't necessarily need to apply a foundation. Next I'm gonna set my concealer using a loose finishing powder. I not only use this to set my concealer but to also even down my complexion, just like it looks the same. Next we're gonna use a blush. Now this is the key to like Ananya's look or any other no makeup look, because this is gonna add the flush to your skin and you're gonna look so good. Just try to apply as much as possible to give a little flush to your skin. Next I'm gonna use my favorite thing, which is highlighter. Highlighter is again a really important step. I try to highlight my cheekbones, my jawline. Next I used a kajal and now I'm moving on to lipstick. I have mixed two lipsticks. One lipstick is by MyGlamm. This is a dark pink shade, and then I've mixed it with this one by Prosh just to make the perfect shade as shown in Ananya's looks. Next I have applied a mascara to finish off the look. I feel like mascara is such a game changer. Next I have applied a bindi for the very first time and this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this short little tutorial and would recreate it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel in case you're new and I'll catch you guys next time. Goodbye.